To automatically cleaning switch on or off in Pongo M210s Robot vacuum in certain temperature. Open left and left, tap left and left to open, and then select smart. Next, on automation, tap plus icon, select when weather change, and then tap temperature, and then select temperature you want. Example, if when Celsius, 10 Celsius, and then tap next, select run the device, and then tap Pongo M210s, and then tap cleaning switch, select turn on if you want to turn on, or select off if you want to turn off. Next, tap save, and then tap next, and then select, you can change name, style, or effective periods. And then tap save to save. Automation created using, start using it, tap yes if you sure. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.